In this video series, I work through a math problem or problems each video. Interest is the amount of money accumulated starting out with the base amount of money called the principal. The interest is the money earned if you provided the money, while the interest is the amount you owe in addition to the original amount if you borrow the money. The formula for calculating interest is I is equal to PRT, where I is the interest, P the principal, R the interest rate, and T the time the money was deposited or borrowed. In some word problems, we are asked to use this equation to find the amount invested. As is in some of the previous word problems, we can use the table to organize the given information. Let's take a look at the example. Sergey invested a total of $7,000 in two investments. Investment A had an annual interest rate of 6%, while investment B had an annual return of 4%. After 1 year, Sergey had earned $340 in interest. How much does Sergey place in each investment? So what we need to find in this problem is the amount that he invested in the investment returning 4% and the investment returning 6%. Let's go ahead and fill in the information into the table. Since the unknown is the amount invested in each of the investments, let's use X to represent the amount he invested in the 4%, the investment that returns 4%, and because the total he invested is $7,000, the amount he invested in 6% investment is 7,000 minus X. So the total amount invested is $7,000. The interest rates are these percentages converted to decimal, or we could use a fraction, but I'll go ahead and use decimal this time. 0.04 and 0.06. Then the interest earned for each of the investments is, let's see, X times 0.04 for the 4% investment, and 0.06 multiplied by the difference, 7,000 minus X. We're also told that the total amount of interest that Sergey earned is $340. So if we add these two numbers together, we should get 340. So let's use the information in the last column to write the equation that we're going to solve for X. So we're going to add 0.04X and 0.06 multiplied by 7,000 minus X. And this is equal to 340. Generally, whenever I can avoid it, I try to avoid using decimals. So let's go ahead and multiply this equation through by 100. We can distribute the 100 to the first term 0.04x, which gives us 4x, and to the other term 0.06 multiplied by 7,000 minus x. 0.06 multiplied by 100 is 6, so and this is equal to 340 times 100, which is 34,000. Then we want to distribute 6 to 7,000 and minus 6. That gives us 42,000 minus 6x. 4x minus 6x is minus 2x. So minus 2x plus 42,000 is equal to 34,000. And next, let's subtract 42,000 from both sides of the equation. The 42,000 and minus 42,000 will cancel out, and that leaves us with minus 2x on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, 42,000 is the larger number after taking the absolute value. So we'll subtract 34,000 from 42,000 and then just add the minus sign. So we get 0, 0, 0. Let's see, 12 minus 4 is 8. And we carried, so 3 and 3 will cancel out. So minus 2x is equal to minus 8,000. And we can multiply both sides of the equation by minus 1/2. Then we get x is equal to, the minus signs will cancel out. 8,000 divided by 2 is 4,000. So x equals 4,000. So that's the amount that Sergey invested in the 4% investment. And to find the amount he invested into the 6% investment, we just subtract 4,000 from 7,000, and that gives us 3,000. So Sergey invested $4,000 into the 4% account, while he invested $3,000 in the 6% account.